Well, this is definitely a full-bodied beer. There's a lot of dextrin in there, a lot of malt, a lot of alcohol. Starting to warm up. Yep. As far as the flavors go, though, it's not a very aggressive beer. It's not an aggressive ale. It's not and it's not. It slides into the back of the throat and sticks there. You really don't get a lot of impression here, and I think it's because of the alcohol and the malt. The sweetness of the malt and that alcohol kind of holds on to the hops and kind of keeps things from getting out of hand. All right, so does Atomic Torpedo Imperial IPA meet expectations? Well, from the look of the label with the kind of the target there, it looks like it's a submarine looking there. It's got all kinds of good. It's got the atomic things, the electrons running around the hop there. I was really expecting something to knock my teeth out, and it didn't. So, no, it didn't meet expectations. This time, Atomic Torpedo Imperial IPA from Sierra Nevada didn't make expectations. Sorry. I would say, out of a 1 to 10, I'd give this a 5 maybe. They made an effort. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.